Now, this illustration deals with calculating the load for a sign. Now, notice the load on the sign is 18 VA continuous. There's a 20 amp branch circuit required by 600.5A for any commercial building where you have access, like grade level access into the area. 230.42A1 is using this calculation for service conductors. 230.90A is sizing your overcurrent device. And a disconnect's required within the 50 foot of the sign in accordance with 600.6A and within sight, out of sight, and so forth in accordance with Article 100 for the disconnect. But these are the general rules, and we're going to find the total load and overcurrent protection for the sign. Step 1, 220.14F. If the sign is continuous duty in accordance with 600.5A, we take 125% of 125% of 1800, and we come up with 2250. Now, to find the amps, we would take the VA 2250 divided by the voltage of the sign, which in this case is 120. The load is 18.8 amp. What's the next size overcurrent device above 18.8 amps in accordance with 240.4B and 220.14F? 20 amps. What size conductor in 240.4D as in dog for small conductors, number 10 and down to number 18, what would we need? Number 12. So the solution is we have a 20 amp overcurrent device with number 12 wire because the sign burns for 3 hours or more and is continuous, considered a continuous duty operating sign, and that's what our figure 14-24 is illustrating, the procedure to calculate the load to size the overcurrent protection device and the conductors really in accordance with 220.14F and 600.5A.